Hey, what's going on? We got a surprise yesterday. I walked into the house to find that we had kitchen countertops. I watched them install everything. It took about 3 hours and it was pretty amazing. So have a look. How does it look? Huh? How's it going? Good. Now this is Jim. He's our sales rep. He stops by once in a while to see what's happening, if there are any problems, and it was a nice trip. Take notice to the switches that are supposed to be on the other side of the wall. According to where they are now, if I want to turn the kitchen lights on, I have to take the roast out of the oven, reach in and turn them on. So obviously they are in the wrong place. It's a quick fix and these things happen. You'll see. They're moving really fast. I mean, I think that date might be wrong. And the counter is beautiful. I watched them install it last night.
It was one good for you.
Yeah, no. The switches are on the wrong side of the wall.
It's not too convenient, is it?
Huh?
It's not too convenient.
So what did you think? I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon.